What the? Cool. Well, am I in focus? To vlog our Thanksgiving little thing. Thanksgiving weekend. So let's get into it because I am so excited to go down to St. George. Like, so excited.
I think it was the before.
In your eyes. Oh, there's Cam.
Ouch! Wrap the turkey! I need to make my playlist. I need to pack. I need to clean. And I have a couple hours to do that. I just got done with the run, which was freezing. Oh, my back hurts. Ow, my back hurts. Oh my gosh, my back. I'm gonna get my nails done in like 30 minutes, so I'm so excited. I just got my nails done. This hand's kind of cute. This hand, not so much. It was so freaking hard. And there's blue in my white. Great. Deep breaths. Because she made my nails bleed hardcore to the max. And I want to start crying. Because it was the most awkward thing ever. And holy cow, honestly, she did not do that good of a job. Oh my gosh, she sucks. Okay, I've come to that conclusion. I'm not going back. Just got back from getting my nails done. Went to a new girl. She made me literally want to cry because she was hurting my nails, making me bleed. But that's besides the point. They're not ugly. They're not like adorable, but you know, it is what it is. Got me a Dr. Pepper Zero because of it. A little makeshift clothing rack fell. So I'm gonna be needing a drill to hang that back up. Well, I am in need of, ouch. Oh, I need 4 outfits. Try on a couple outfits. my yoga mat, running shoes, outfits, PJs, underwear. I swept. I'll take the trash out. Nails. Okay. We got it all done. Hopefully I have everything. I should be fine. Here's the programming for my last class I'm teaching. I'm excited. Even though I only have like 2 people in my class, I'm like, come on guys, sign up. What is this angle? What the heck? Struggling. Actually, this is my first thing I've ordered on TikTok Shop, and it actually came. Doesn't, you know. And it's my face towels that are disposable. One-time use. Okay, that gave me a headache. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's my towel, I'm so excited. There's
We made like 5 banana cream pies. You did? Yeah. Well, we had a safe drive down. We made it. I hit the door. The turkey.
Oh, don't do it! No!
Pilgrims would laugh at us.
Ah! I'm not touching that.
You hold
I'm
it.
not touching that. Give me
Do
his
not
knife.
let the turkey fall. Oh my head.
Oh. Okay. Don't get it on your floor. I got the turkey. Michelle.
It's getting on my floor.
Oh my gosh. We're all gonna die of salmonella. Gosh, why are you not scared of dying of salmonella?
Because we're not gonna die.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, no. It's wrapped together with some fat. Man, it's like literally like who does this?
Your sleeves up.
Who does it? It's like we're literally wrapped together. You gotta take the giblets out.
Yeah, giblets like.
And then Grandma Meacham would have the liver cooking
Yeah, she cooked
in
the
her
liver.
little pan.
Mhm.
Would she ever eat it?
Oh, I'm sure she ate it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We probably should.
we should.
Oh,
Like
I
a
was
cow.
thinking.
And they're supposed to get out. Supposed to pull all that out.
Stick
There's
your hand
ice.
in.
There's still ice on it.
Ew, that's just. Oh my gosh.
There's still ice. This is still frozen, you guys.
Oh no.
The beginning is wherever you want to start. So why don't we start over here at the beginning, and we'll come this way. On my right. Gina, on my right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, load it up there.
Well, he just
Nope, I got some.
assumed that role.
And he did it well. And he did it. It's 6 o'clock. It's like a nail press, a grinder. What's your face? Do the roar. Roar! I don't like it. I don't like it. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Happy birthday, dear Samarita, to you. And the turkey. Oh, go.
It's Friday, day after Thanksgiving. We're getting ready to go shopping a little bit, just a couple home goods stores. So running this morning. So now here's my outfit. Super chill. Just gonna find some good deals, I guess. Quite literally a disaster.
Got a drink? Is that a... Kate,
Acid reflux.
Trav, I got you over here.